Okay, so here at the Sapp Gallery, which is that building right there in North Battleford, on a cool April morning, we are looking at this area over here is what they're building called the Sapp Healing Garden. It's going to be a native healing garden, and Kjelti, who is over there, hiding behind the teepee right now, is looking for some advice and help on what we do for some things for water harvesting. So we're just up here doing some work, looking at some things right now. So generally what we're looking at, we've got downspouts, as you can see on that little garage-like thing over there. We've got the garden over here. We've got some area we can work with a little. As you can see, the power boxes there, those throw a bit of a wrench in things in terms of how we might get water from the near side downspout there. The far side might be a little easier to do because it runs basically on the edge of the parking lot. So we come over here, hope the wind's not too bad. Rail yards in the background, as you can see. We are looking at what's going to be a native healing garden, traditional plants, and Kjelti can tell you a bit about it. Say hi.
Hello, my name's Kjelti. I'm the project coordinator for the Sapp Healing Garden, and it is going to be home to a wide variety of native medicinal plants, and it's going to be used as a community space and education tool, and we're trying to incorporate some elements of permaculture design, especially considering water harvesting. That's what Kirby and I are working on right now, to make it as low maintenance as possible here in downtown North Battleford.
Yes, so one of the things that the city would like, as Kjelti said, is low maintenance. So we're looking at how we can catch water and try to direct it through the garden. Now the garden has specific plants that need to go in specific quadrants, and as I've been told, that direction right there is north. So we've got a quadrant at the far side right there is the north one, which is going to have sweetgrass. Is that what you said in that one? And then if we come back here, the one right by my feet here right now would be then the east.
Home to tobacco. Or
Kinnickinnick or bearberry, right? That's what that is. And then over the far one there, on the far side of the teepee, would be
the south, home to cedar, or juniper is the native variety, and the far bed is west, which will be home to sage.
All right. So one of the things we're looking at, it's a very noisy area we're at here between trains and a piece of equipment behind us. So what we're looking at generally, try not to make everybody sick as I pan around, the land kind of goes from over there, which is kind of northeast, and the east troughs there and the downspouts, which we're hoping to see if we can catch some water from that, really kind of slopes that direction down over to that corner. So we're going to look at where and what we might be able to do for water. I'm hoping we can stake something out here, even if we can't do anything with it. I think we should look at that and what we might be able to do with getting water from that one that's right along the edge of the parking lot. And then over here, we're going to go along and mark something along here, because basically the water runs off from this parking lot. And you know what, I think I'm going to pause for a bit and we'll come back in a few minutes.